What up, superstars? It's your girl, Miss Bollywood, and welcome to my very first makeup tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you a look like no other. One that can last more than 24 hours. Are you impressed? Curious? Keep watching to find out. Step 1. Look at yourself long and hard in the mirror because that's the most real you'll see yourself in a while. Step 2. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. You don't want to damage your skin because the amount of layers going on your face is going to be more than your mom's casserole dish. Step 3. Primer, the first and crucial layer. You want to smooth out any imperfections, kind of like the potholes you find in the road, except in this case, you're covering up your deepest secrets and insecurities. Step 4. Foundation. You want to conceal anything you may have missed in step 3 with the primer, so your complexion appears, or shall I say, gives off the illusion of a perfect personality. A quick tip, a liquid matte foundation works amazing. Step 5. Green face paint. I know it sounds crazy, but it is essential for this look. Be generous and smear it on, kind of like you do with peanut butter and jam. Make sure it covers the whole face, including the neck. Look at that luster and glow. The Wicked Witch of the West has got nothing on you. Step 6. Highlighting and contouring. Take a concealer 2 to 3 tones darker than your skin color and write these words on your face. Fake, lies, hate, and envy. Using a beauty blender, dab until it disappears. People may not be able to see it, but you know it's there. For a more chiseled and dead look, use more product and repeat the same steps. Step 7. We're all about the eyes. First up, the eyebrows. Don't just fill them in. Draw an arch so high up like a stiletto heel, but in this case, instead of being painful to walk in, you'll be painful to look at. Next is eyeshadow. Multi-tones work best because of your two-faced nature. Start off with a light color in the corner of your eye to show your inner true self. Then, hide it with some green in the center. This color I'm using is called Envious. Now, at the outer corners, use a bold black color to complement the green. This one I'm using is from the Haters Gonna Hate palette called Black Hole of Misery. Did someone say liquid liner? Apply a thick layer, kind of like the amount of BS you speak on the daily, followed by taking an eye pencil and coloring the waterline as well as a little bit under to give off a look that others will fear. Open wide because it's mascara time. You want to apply 2 to 3 layers of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. You want to make it seem as if you cut off spider legs and glued them to your eyelids. This is one of my favorite parts. Sprinkle some sparkles, because you know what they say, all that glitters is gold. The color that I'm using is called Jealousy Bug. Step 9. Lipstick. Some say don't wear your heart on your sleeve, but I say why not on your lips? Seeing your heart is missing, leaving nothing but darkness behind, use a black lip liner and fill it in with a matte black lip color. The one I'm using is called Kiss of Death. Step 10. Blush. I saved the best for last because even though people may judge you negatively, you still want to appear human with so-called real feelings. And there you have it, the completed look. You can wear it day or night and rock it at any occasion. You'll definitely be the envy of the ball and will have heads turning. Hey superstars! So I may have had you guys slightly fooled because this was a mock makeup tutorial. It wasn't completely serious. Unless you really like this look and want to rock it, go ahead and do your thing. The reason I made this video was to shed some light on those who hold envy and jealousy deep within their hearts. As you can see, it doesn't look attractive and appealing on the surface, even as a makeup trend. So why be the one to spread negativity and hatred to others? Why not be more compassionate and loving? When spreading good vibes, you're opening yourself up to happier thoughts and good intentions. In our world today, it's easier to say hurtful things to others than say kind words. So let's change that. Always wish the best for others and you'll receive the same in return. And that is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this satirical video, had some laughs, and are taking away a very important message and lesson. So if you really liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and pass along this message. I hope you guys have a fantastic day or week ahead, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I make new ones every Monday, Wednesday. Much love from me to you, Miss Bollywood.